Agus Lingen Shire and Tavelina, Laoch na hImeartha the chud Doiregaa over a Cardiag, Lorcan McWilliams. Lorcan, congratulations, you're through to the final. You better start booking the buses for 3 weeks' time.
Oh, we'll look forward to it. I mean, Kerry are a great team, so we'll just go back to camp and prepare and then give it our best shot in the final.
We saw the last day in the quarter-final, the strength of your finish. It was really evident again today. You came back from the game practically gone against Sligo. The same today, you managed to outscore the Dubs seriously in the last quarter.
We knew no matter what, we were just going to give it our all to the end, and luckily we just got the scores, and now we're into the final, we're happy.
And the subs played a great role. I mean, Callum Brown's shoulder there in the last couple of minutes was really, I suppose, it symbolised exactly the aggression and I suppose the focus that Derry needed to bring into today's game.
We're serious depth in our team. Even the boys that are not in the 24, they're always pushing, knocking on the door to get on the team, and today just showed up how good we are.
Kerry in a couple of weeks' time are going to be going for the 4 in a row. Are Derry going to stop them?
I don't know, we're going to give it our best shot anyway.
Good luck to you in that. Garrila Magat, Lorcan McWilliams, Laoch na hImeartha agus Pat O'Doherty, Three of hImeartha ESB and Shaw, Le Gradam Laoch na hImeartha of Runna Air. Go